Hello, my name is Ryan Hughes and I'm Head of Active Portfolios here at AJ Bell. I'm here to talk to you today about one of our favourite funds, the Stewart Investors Asia Pacific Leaders Fund. Stewart Investors Asia Pacific Leaders is an Asian equity fund that looks to outperform the MSCI AC Asia Pacific ex-Japan Index over the long term. The fund invests predominantly in Asian shares or companies that have significant operations in the region, while they can also invest in Australia and New Zealand. Stewart Investors is a UK-based fund management company that is currently owned by Commonwealth Bank of Australia and specialises in Asia and the emerging markets as well as sustainable investing. The fund is managed by David Gate and Sashi Reddy, with Gate having been a manager on the fund since 2015. Gate joined the company in 1997 and therefore has extensive experience working on the team, whilst Reddy joined in 2007. The investment process is very well defined, having been in place in the company since 1998. When looking for high quality companies, the fund manager considers three things: the company's management, its business franchise in terms of its social and environmental approach, and its long-term cash generation. As a result, the fund managers favour those companies that have sustainable and predictable growth and are prepared to hold these companies for the long term to allow the sustainability of cash flow to compound over time. The investment approach puts engagement at the centre of the research process, with a belief that they are investing in people rather than companies. As a result, sustainability is a key part of the process, which is implemented via a constructive approach to working with management to improve corporate behaviour. Gate and Reddy are very disciplined in their approach, operating with an absolute return mindset and a comfort to invest totally differently to the index, which as a result can see the performance of the fund being very different to the index. In our opinion, Gate and Reddy have a deep understanding of their investment approach, which they have been able to consistently follow regardless of what's been happening in global markets over many years. The comfort in investing very differently to the index is a strong characteristic, and with a focus on high quality companies, the contrarian approach has been tested into all sorts of market conditions, validating the robustness of the approach. On the favourite funds page of our website, you can find a simple one-page AJ Bell report on this fund, which shows some of the key information about the fund as well as our opinion on it. We hope that this short video helps you with your investment research and helps you choose investments that are right for you. The AJ Bell Favourite Funds list has been designed for people who like to choose their own investments, and you should do your own research to ensure that any fund you select is appropriate for your attitude to risk and your financial circumstances and objectives. The favourite fund list isn't a personal recommendation. If you're unsure about any of this, please speak to a financial advisor. Thank you very much for watching.